Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I would like to talk about the crucial aspects of an IELTS training. Whether you are preparing for the IELTS academic or general training test, a thorough understanding of this module is crucial for achieving your desired band score. The IELTS writing module is designed to assess your ability to communicate effectively in written English, covering a range of everyday and academic situations. It is divided into two tasks which must be completed in 60 minutes. Let's break down each task and what if it requires. Academic writing. For those taking the academic version of IELTS, Task 1 is require you to describe a visual information. This might be in the form of graph, charts, tables, or even a diagram. The task asks you to summarize the key features of the visual data in at least 150 words. Remember, the key is here to identify the main trends and comparison rather than getting lost in the finer details. You have around 20 minutes to complete this task, and the assessment will focus on ability to convey the information clearly and correctly using accurate grammar and vocabulary. In task 2, you will have a write an essay to responding to a point of view, argument, or problem. This essay need to be at least 250 words and you should aim to spend 40 minutes on it. The topics are more formal and academic, requiring you to present a well-structured argument supported by a relevant example. This task is particularly important as it carries more weight in your overall writing score. To succeed, you must show an ability to develop ideas logically, use a wide range of vocabulary, and employ various grammatical structure accurately. Journal training writing. Now, for those taking the general training version, task 1 involves writing a letter. This situation could arrange from formal to informal context, requiring you to respond appropriately in the terms of tone and style. You need to write at least 150 words and should cover the purpose of the letter effectively. While demonstrating a good range of a language, this task is assessed on your ability to communicate the message clearly and maintain consistent register. Whether formal, semi-formal, or informal, task 2 in the general training module is an essay similar to the academic test, though the topics tend to be more general and relate to everyday issues again. The essay should be at least 250 words and you should spend about 40 minutes on this task. The emphasis here is on your ability to present and justify an opinion, discuss issues, and provide examples in a clear and cohesive manner. Now, assessment the criteria. Both tasks are scored based on 4 key criteria: task achievement or task response, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. Task achievement or response measure. How well you fulfill the requirement of the task. For task 1, this means covering all the key featuring of the visual data or letter prompt. For task 2, it means addressing all the parts of the essay question with a well-developed argument and examples. Coherence and cohesion are about the clarity and organization of your writing. Your ideas should flow logically with a clear paraphrasing and appropriate use of a linking words. Lexical resource evaluates your vocabulary, range, and accuracy. You should aim to use a variety of words and avoid repetition, while also ensuring that your word choice is appropriate for the context. Finally, grammatical range and accuracy. Assess your use of a grammar. A variety of a sentence structure combined with the correct grammar and punctuation is essential for a high score. In the end, the IELTS writing module is a critical part of the test that requires careful preparation and practice. By understanding the structure of each task, focusing on the assessment criteria, and refining your writing skills, you can improve your performance and increase your chances of achieving your desired band score. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.